It had been one of those days, the kind where the weight of everything felt heavier than usual. For Emma, it seemed as though the world conspired to test her patience. The endless meetings at work, the disarray at home, and the gnawing loneliness that whispered in the quiet moments all left her drained. She sat on her worn armchair by the window, a steaming cup of chamomile tea in hand, gazing out at the rain streaking down the glass. Her thoughts swirled in a chaotic loop, replaying every worry and stress. Her hands felt restless, her mind unable to settle. On the small table beside her, a basket filled with yarn sat, untouched for weeks. A faint memory surfaced of how the vibrant colors and repetitive motions used to bring her peace. Emma placed her mug down and reached for the basket. Her fingers grazed the soft yarn, choosing a skein of calming seafoam green. She grabbed her crochet hook, an old, slightly bent one she had used since learning the craft as a teenager, and began chaining stitches. Her hands moved automatically, muscle memory guiding her through the first row. The rhythmic motion of pulling loops through loops created a soothing cadence, almost like a heartbeat. The world outside faded, the rain, once oppressive, became a gentle background lullaby. Stitch by stitch, Emma felt her breathing slow and deepen. The tight knot in her chest began to loosen. Crochet had always been her refuge. She remembered how her grandmother had taught her, sitting on the porch swing during summer evenings, their laughter mingling with the warm breeze. Her grandmother had always said, "When life gets tangled, crochet your way through." As the pattern began to form under her fingers, Emma's mind quieted. Each stitch seemed to carry away a fragment of her anxiety. The repetitive motion allowed her thoughts to settle, no longer spinning uncontrollably but aligning in a calmer, more manageable way. By the time the rain stopped, she had created the beginnings of a soft, textured blanket. Emma held it up, smiling at the imperfections. The slight unevenness in tension, the missed stitch here and there, they were part of its charm, reminders that nothing had to be perfect to be beautiful. She realized that crochet wasn't just a hobby. It was a form of therapy, a way to weave her thoughts into something tangible and comforting. Each project she had ever completed was a testament to moments she had overcome, a fabric of resilience. As she folded the growing blanket and placed it gently back into the basket, Emma felt lighter. She picked up her tea, now lukewarm, and took a sip, savoring the calm that had replaced the chaos. Tomorrow might bring its own challenges, but tonight she had found solace, one stitch at a time.